What's up YouTube, Rebel Child here, back with my man Ming. Today we picked up a box of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Got a nice little box opening for you guys. Hopefully we get some good pulls.
Okay, let's get it started. Oh, by the way, you know this? Sells $80 online. I got this for $60, but taking 2 packs out though. Alright, let's see what we got. Mega Beast, Halloween. I see exciting monsters. Magnum Shield, exciting Balling Boxer, okay? Number 105. Balling Boxer, I see more exciting monsters. Balling Boxer, head here. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's like that. You better.
Okay. Shark Fortress. Neopet. Oh my god, I already got like
Let's put those cards up there.
load of XYZ.
Let's move the supers and the rarity ones out the way.
Hey, Balling Boxer. I'm definitely making a Balling Boxer deck soon.
Oh, you got it now.
Well, I got like most of them now. Oh my god.
Next pack.
Let's go. Stolo. Baby Elemental Dragon. Forgot for reptiles. Forgot. Balling Boxer. Drill. Is that Rhino? Yeah, that's Rhino. Oh my god.
Ultimate Rare Noble Knight.
Nice. Here. Shark. Shark. Title. Wait, is it? No, it's not title. It's the stream. It's really good pulls right now.
Not bad, bro.
Maybe I'm able to make it back for the $60.
Off to an amazing start so far. Got the ultra rare and the super rare.
Nice.
Pack 3.
Baby Garunix. Mind Dream. I need this. Star. I see a wolf. Fairy Chirico.
Another baby
Animal Dragon. Sonic Warrior. Shark. Equip skill for Mermails.
It's enough of the baby ones. Let's get some of the big ones, you know?
I really want to get it. If I get Blaster, I will be ready. I cannot get this open. Oh, got it.
Alright, there we go, YouTube. Sorry for the stall.
I really want Sunbreak, please. Sunbreak, nah, just Wolf. Burner, Little Fairy, Halloween.
Alright,
wait,
Will Foxy.
Wheel,
Oh, you know.
You need this, right?
Definitely. Put together that Foxy deck, YouTube.
And
On the pack 4.
this is only pack 4, I don't know. Tachyon, Galaxy, Dolongo. Magnum Shield. So broken for warrior decks. It's like really broken. Mermail. Go. Gagas. Dream. Spell Book of Miracle. You need that.
Yeah.
Mimic. Balling Boxer. I can probably make a Balling Boxer deck if I get LD now. Next. I'm like killing packs here. Baby Garunix. Tengu. Mermail. Coalition. Oh, this is
Big Dragon, baby, there it is.
Ghost Fairy.
Let's take a look at that the big one.
But I'm not running Mermail. Too bad. I'm not running Mermail.
Yeah, but we know some guys run some Elemental Dragons. You can probably sell it too.
Sell it, yeah.
Let's hope we get some more of those. This box isn't so bad so far.
Yeah, not bad. But I really want the Record Magic.
What's this? Pack 6?
Yeah. Let's put it.
7. Pack 7.
Let's go.
Pack 7, ladies and gentlemen.
Mermail. Why am I getting so many? Do a barrel roll. Do a barrel. Yeah, do a barrel roll.
Yeah.
Marriage. Balling Boxer. Sharks. Do people actually run Shark there? I heard that it's really good. It's like considered sort of.
Haven't come across that secret rare yet, but still looking.
I took out the 2 packs. I really wish the 2 packs I took out didn't include the secret rare.
Yeah.
I would be so pissed.
Draco or
Chaos
Judgment. It's the most really one.
Chaos XYZ.
Oh, Chaos XYZ. There we go. Next card.
Is
that secret?
That's super. Secret Sword of 7. Yes. For Elemental Dragons. Sharks. Fire Fist. And with this.
Let's put the shark over here.
Tadakawa Naito.
Here, let me do that. These are all the other rares.
If there's a huge wind right now, I blow away all those cards, I'm gonna kill myself.
Doesn't mean you're really YouTube. Don't call anybody.
Alright. Wolf. Baby. Pachi, pachi, pachi. One, three.
Oh, Tempest, we got 2 big dragons.
Where's the blaster?
Still looking for the blasters, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Make up kind of beast. Where should I put it here? Two elemental. I want blaster. I want blaster.
2 of those elementals. We need
I can use
2
this
more.
in my Dragonity deck.
2 more big dragons, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty good box so far.
Yes.
And then we got our supers and ultra.
I got my balling boxes.
Alright,
Let's go.
next pack.
What's this?
Sunbreaker.
Okay. Balling boxer, excessive block. I heard this is a key card for Mecha Friendly Beast. Think it is later. Warrior, epic card, balling boxer.
Last pack of the second to last pack of the left side. Let's hope it's
Well, again, I took like 2 packs, which I hope didn't have the secret. Go. Oh look. Balling boxer. This. Bill. XYZ Revenge. Not sure if it's good, but I'm gonna put it here because it's rare. Gaga Wayne. I heard it's really good for Gaga deck. Memory lost.
And now the last pack of the left side.
Pachi, pachi. Oh, what is this?
Fire Brothers Explosion.
So I guess it's Fire Fist. Make a kind of beast.
Altitude Knight.
Thank you for pronouncing that. That's rare. Put it over there.
Another Spellbook of Miracles.
Yeah, get it. I'm getting a lot of spell. And the baby title. Baby. What's it called? Wing.
Good thing we got the Tempest.
Tempest.
Okay, last 32, okay?
Oh. Why am I getting so many useless ones? Wolf Bounce Boxer. Here. Fire Formation. Gyoko.
That's super.
Gyoko. Super rare.
There's a super rare.
And Leopard. Maybe Falling Boxer. Where is that Tachyon dragon? I want the Tachyon dragon. Put it in my dark water. But sorry guys, it's too loud outside. We are currently in a flea market. That's where
Upside down cards. It's happened a lot. I don't know what's up with that.
Why? Exciting event. You know what? It's making me curious. Let me read this real fast. Oh my god, really good. It's just like special some monster reborn for exciting monster and take 1 exciting material from your opponent.
Well, at least we got 2 of these.
We already got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Secret piece. Please, I'm gonna take out the secret no matter what it is and sell it. And get another box. And then sell it. And get, yeah. Go. Wind, Magnum Shield, Excessive Block.
Ice. Let me see. Ice Beast. Zero fine. Zero fine.
Let me see. Two level Wind Beast. Okay. Wind. Pakla.
Sorry, it's a good snag.
Yeah. Green Dustin. I'm gonna make a Dustin deck just to like troll everybody. Have you ever faced one before?
I've never faced Dustin. I don't know about you guys, YouTube, but me personally never had to go against one of those annoying decks.
I'm gonna use that like today at the end if you're going. Oh, by the way, my Dueling Network account.
Yamino Duelist on Dueling Network, so look out for him.
YAMINODUELIST. Another ice beast. It's falling down.
We
Recharge.
hit a snag so far, so let's hope we
Where
pick
is
back up.
Where is the secret I'm
Some
looking
more
for?
supers and some more, and I get that secret out.
Oh my god! If I didn't put the secret, I'm going to that person and get back the 2 packs. I'm so gonna do that.
Next pack.
Finer. Chaos XYZ.
Alright, now we've hit a lot of the repeats. Let's hope out of these next, what, 7 packs we got pulled to pull? Until we get something.
What's with all those sharks?
I don't know. I know we see a lot of the Shark Fortress out there.
Oh, Shark Fortress is really strong. Look at its effect. Attack twice. And no restrictions.
Next pack. What do we got?
Tengu. Beast. The microphone beast. Wait, I see ultimate rare.
Just go.
I see ultimate rare.
Oh, the Mermail Abyss Valiant.
Did it sell a lot?
We'll check online, but
it's ultimate rare, so must sell a lot.
there's
Oh
the
my god,
ultimate
right here.
That's right here.
Oh my god.
Just pulled the ultimate rare, ladies and gentlemen.
I got so excited when I see the silver borderline. I was like, wait, that's the ultimate rare?
Still need that secret rare coming for you. Crossing our fingers for that Draco Sack or that Judgment.
Judgment, go. What is this? Resemble with the star squid.
Draco Shark.
69.
I think I see.
It's 69, man. Its effect is really beast. For 1 to kill in sector deck. Like for the cannon, rare cannon. Hey, I got like pretty good exciting monsters so far. Only 3 packs left.
3 packs plus the 2 we have over here waiting along. Make it a full
Wait,
24.
are those 2 packs the one that I
No.
took out? If you got something good out then, dude, I'm going to unsubscribe you and dump down all of your video. Except my, what's it called, my deck profile. Boxer, Jewel, Bachi, Happy Pet,
Harpy's Pet Dragon there.
Oh,
Oh, even on Tachyon.
No, wait, I like Sunbreak.
We just have the. Oh, it's not.
I like Sunbreak more in my Relics not deck. I really want to make them more balanced. Seeing like 9 Evolution Monster, 9 Customer Monster.
And just to say, YouTube, if there's any cards you see here that you like, that you want, just PM me. We'll see if we can make work out a deal between you and my man Ming here, or any cards I may pull in the future.
It's going to be so difficult. Alright, got it. Secret rare, please. I don't want more first. One last pack.
Last pack. The secret has got to be in there.
Why is so weird? Why is so weird? Okay. If I didn't get a secret rare, I'm gonna get those 2 packs from that man, that old man. I cannot get this out. Is that a bug on my shoulder?
No, you're good. You're good.
Thank God. Go.
Little fairy. Baby Jack.
That there goes.
Oh my God! Spellbook of Judgment. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna sell it.
There it is, the Spellbook of Judgment, secret rare that everybody's been after. That in Draco Sack. You see it here.
I'm gonna rip this up. Nah. Put it over there.
And miracles.
Yeah, miracles.
Alright, now I'm gonna switch the camera over to my man Ming. He's gonna watch the last. So we open these last 2 packs we have.
Do you want to trade for the Draco Sack? If I give you the Judgment and if I pull out the Draco Sack from here.
Alright.
How much do they sell for Judgment? They say 178, I think, last time I checked.
I'll check online. We can check afterwards.
It worth the whole box. I'm gonna.
much.
You know what? After this, I'm going to the tournament store I went to. I'm going to sell that card and get another box. Okay, this is yours, right?
Yep.
Alright. Tengu. To the Bali box. I want Bali box. Can you give me it?
We'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do.
What do you mean we will see? Not really like happy about it, so I really want the 107. Okay, sure, Burner, Magnum Shield.
Oh, the big dragon!
Where's Blaster? No, wait, where's Blaster? I see Sombre. Sombre!
And Sombre, ladies and gentlemen! Nice Constellar Sombre. And the Velox.
Blaster is in the pack that I took out.
Now we're gonna go make a run through of the big pulls we got today. First,
Wow,
we'll
it's really messy.
go to the rares.
Alright, let me sort it out. Sort of. You know
A
what.
whole box, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so big wheel.
One big wheel.
Harvey Pet Mary Dragon. I heard it's really good. I heard a lot of people need it. Which I did. 69. I'm gonna keep this. Chaos. Ice Beast. Excessive Range. Really good. I'm not gonna pronounce it. I cannot see it because I'm reading it backwards. You know?
Yeah. Altitude Knight, ladies and gentlemen.
Falling Boxer. Excessive Range. Mega Phantom Beast.
Tempest. Three of the big dragons. We're gonna get the blaster, which is actually pretty funny because as a lava duelist, I do need that blaster, and we didn't pull it today.
In your face, Lavo. Not pulling faster for you. Alright, Chaos. Do a barrel roll. Say it.
Do a barrel roll.
No, say it like him. What he said.
What?
Have you ever played Star Fox?
No.
Dude, really?
Never played it. Gonna be honest with you guys.
Child is a loser. He didn't play Star Fox.
Will of Prophecy?
I'm gonna trade this with somebody. Can do that?
No.
Oh, come on. Doing some XYZ Monster 2. And then for like common XYZs, we have...
The common XYZs, you know, because we gotta go through these.
Yeah, just commons. Commons.
And lastly, the big ones he pulled. The big stuff right there.
It's right here, right?
Yeah, all that stuff right there.
Alright, so we got...
Sombra quickly on the brothers.
Not really brothers, they're actually both considered monsters. They're actually both considered monsters. No, this one used Aqua Mirror to fuse with all three Evil Stone Dragon. This one is fused with all considered monsters and Gem Knight.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spellbook of Judgment.
Ultimate Rare Mermail.
Balion?
Balion.
Tell us how to pronounce it, YouTube. Tell us how to pronounce it. Noble Knight, Ultra. Ghost Fairy.
7 Sacred Sword of 7 stars. You know, I check out Amazon, it's $7.
Is it really?
Like,
Because you know, it's really popular amongst the Dragon Balls, but
yeah.
And
I didn't get Dragon Magic, which I really want.
Well, YouTube, it's been Child here with our Lord of the Tachyon box opening. My man Ming. Look out for him on Dylan Network. We'll be coming to you with more deck profiles and box openings in the future. Signing out.